G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. Really quick video today, just a quick amendment on the brake caliper, just with the channel seal, and some new rims and tyres, so that's pretty exciting. Anyway, it's only a quick one, so I hope you enjoy it. Righto, a really quick amendment on our last video. So my seal kit did not come with the channel seals, those real little seals that you see when you split it in half. Scott on YouTube commented that I should do them because they could fail in the near future. $3.50 for all four from Brake Pro. It'll take me less than a minute to change them out, so it's well and truly worth doing that. If your seal kit doesn't have the little channel seals, chase them down from your local auto shop. Be worth it. Thanks, Scott. Appreciate it. Right, I'm going to have a look at how to split a split rim and get the tyre off. We had a little bit of success, and I think I've got it nailed down to be able to show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is remove the valve, let all the air out. Right, let's pull this out. We'll go get these sandblasted, cleaned up and powder coated. I really do not recommend trying to pull them apart yourself. It's a real bugger of a job, and I was only able to get one apart, the rest I couldn't do, and I ended up just all taking them to the tyre shop. Made life so much easier. Alright, it's a pretty exciting day. Got our new shoes on, our split rims that have been all sandblasted and powder coated thanks to Bend Weld. I'll show you, they're pretty awesome. There we go, new shoes. So we ended up going for the Bridgestone Jewelers mud terrains, 235 85 by 16s. They fit really nicely onto the splits, so, and they've come up quite nicely, so they've done a good job. Hopefully they haven't, there's a little bit of chipping and stuff around here, but hopefully it's not too much damage. I suppose you're going to get that with split rims, but I'm pretty happy overall. Righto guys, thanks for your support, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for your comments on Instagram and on YouTube. I really appreciate you guys supporting me. It's fantastic. So we're nearly at 1,000, which is really, really exciting. I'm pretty pumped about that. Anyway, until next time, enjoy.